Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Update the switch and attach a compatible Bluetooth dongle to the dock or USB-C. Power the Xbox Series X controller off and hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds to ensure no active pairings interfere. Once done, press and hold the controller's pairing button until the light flashes rapidly to enter pairing mode. Make sure the switch is on the home menu. You'll be switching to the adapter's pairing menu next, so stay on screen and ready to confirm prompts. Next, configure the switch to accept the adapter. Go to System Settings, Controllers and Sensors, and disable Pro Controller wired communication so Bluetooth can manage input cleanly. Put the USB-C Bluetooth adapter into pairing mode. Most adapters blink rapidly. Then on the switch, select the adapter from the Bluetooth devices list and wait for it to discover the Xbox controller. Once the controller appears, select it and allow the connection. Test basic inputs, joysticks, a /B. To finish, confirm button mapping and calibrate analog sticks using the switch's controller calibration tool if you notice drift. If the controller fails to connect, power cycle the adapter and the controller, then reattempt pairing while keeping devices within a few feet and away from other Bluetooth sources. Make sure the adapter's firmware and the switch system are current. Updating either often resolves compatibility quirks. If problems persist, try a different adapter model known for controller compatibility and repeat the pairing steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.